Hi guys, today I show you a place where you can eat for low money, already cheap. We test all different places when you can eat with limited amount of money. And like first place in my list, it's IKEA, with hot dog IKEA. First of all, I like IKEA hot dog because it's European. In Europe got more strictly rules about the food, so no artificial flavor, no oils. It's still junk food, but check it out, how to order. Okay, so first you use your family card. Scan it, then you got the hot dog house. And like you see, 50 cents, not beatable price for anyone, 50 cents for one hot dog. So I try vegetable, but I don't like it too much like this one. It's good because it got chicken meat, mix of chicken meat. So my order is ready. And we have ketchup and mustard right here. But this is my advice. On the second floor, where is a cafe, very good sauce. It was honey mustard sauce. Nice looking bulb, I love it. My favorite first floor, and everything on this discount, good for flying. Right. Oh, I don't need this one. And flour for your loved one. Wow, little exercise. Because we have to burn some junk food. Calories. Kid meals also, if you limit it. Like see, bowl soups only $2. Of course, famous Swedish meatballs. Somebody vegetable balls. But I got my sandwich. And coffee. If you have a family card, your coffee is free. My family card. Drinks. Coffee. Or tea. Coffee or tea. I will check coffee. One coffee. And two coffee. This receipt for my free coffee. And while they prepare coffee for me, let's check it out. Kia got very delicious coffee. What they got? 14. Ceramic cup. Cheesecake IKEA. Very delicious, already tried. $5.99. Almond pastry. Really good also. Oat, never tried. This cake looks good. Really nice also. Funny cake. Okay. Mascarpone. Delicious. I don't know how much for a piece. I like cod, like anything fish. Oh, salmon menu for $12. Salmon with the green peas, really nice. I try to be vegetarian, so this is not for me. But I also recommend everybody chocolate. White chocolate here, amazing. Yeah, this one chocolate. Guys, check it out. It's the best chocolate I ever ate in my life. So I use little honey mustard, little ketchup. The second one, I use also honey mustard, and let's try little barbecue. I got it. So regular coffee and decaf. No regular coffee available. Okay. We need some evidence. So bon appetit is my minimum possible dinner for only $1 and plus tax, $1.12. Free coffee and hot dogs. And a beef with chicken. That's reminds me of sausage sardelki from my childhood. Delicious. Check on ingredients, it's a lot of E. artificial flowers, but still, for $1, nobody can beat it. 2 for $1. And also this place good for children or for family. So got some playground over here. To keep child busy and large flat TV. Enjoy the movie. This is restoration hardware. We'll probably tomorrow come here for dinner. Very cold. We try to walk, but we're frozen. This kitchen, we're frozen. Here on the third floor. Wanna go check today?